मगोचे फुडारी सरकाराक ब्लॅकमेल करतात असो आरोप G6च्या नेत्यांनी केल्लो. मात ते फुडारी ब्लॅकमेलरच म्हण आरोप लोकांचो आधार फुडारी ट्राजानो डिमेलोन केला. आरडीएक्स गो खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Ministers can't meet the chief minister, and it is not for a day or two. It is going on. The common man, if he cannot approach his chief minister, where is the government? If you meet the minister, they say that the chief minister has not approved the file. How do I go to the chief minister? What is my way out? आणि या नंतर फायदा तो मुख्यमंत्री स्टेप घेऊ शकतो. ना त्याला याचा अर्थ एकूच जाता मंत्री मुख्यमंत्री ब्लॅकमेल करता आणि मुख्यमंत्री पब्लिकेक ब्लॅकमेल. सो ब्लॅकमेल इज गोइंग बोथ साइड. आणि पब्लिक कसो ब्लॅकमेल करता, पब्लिक सायलेंट घेऊन ताका वखदतात ते थंय निरोन म्हणून सगळ्यांची वाट लावन सगळ्यांनी समजून. So blackmail of public is going on, sir, and ministers are blackmailing, and he in return is blackmailing the people. It is necessary that tomorrow, if he is the chief minister of the state, and his own cabinet minister, and that too, the leader of the G6, there are two alliances now. One is G6, one is MDP. There is nothing, nobody else. He should immediately, tomorrow's cabinet meeting, dissolve the house and go for a fresh mandate of a stable government.